Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to demonstrate how you can send payment link on WhatsApp for failed Instamojo transaction. And inside this video, I am going to integrate these two different applications, Instamojo and WhatsApp, with the help of Pabbly Connect, so that whenever any user who is trying to pay for any product that he buys from my website suffers any failure of payment, then an instant template message with a retry payment link gets sent to their WhatsApp account immediately. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing automation, then let us jump right onto my screen. Alright, so now we are on my screen, and today I will integrate these two different applications, Instamojo and WhatsApp Cloud API, with the help of Pabbly Connect, so that whenever any user who is trying to buy any product from my website suffers a payment failure, an instant template message with the retry payment link gets sent to their WhatsApp accounts instantly. And I am going to create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this automation will work. And for that, you can see this is my Instamojo website, and these are all the products that I sell through my website. So for now, I will buy this particular product, and you can see this is how my natural glow skincare face toner looks. And now I will buy this. And to buy this, I will click on this pay now, and then I will fill up all of these following fields. And here I have filled all of these following fields, and now I will fill up my delivery address. And after filling delivery address, I will click on this proceed to pay, and then we will select our credit or debit card, and then I will enter my credit card details. And after that, I will click on this continue to pay, and now you can see we are waiting for payment confirmation. And here you can see my payment got failed as I entered this incorrect payment details. And you can see as soon as my payment got failed, we received an instant template message on my WhatsApp number, and you can see inside my WhatsApp number this template with my name, the name of my product, and with this particular retry payment link. You can see I will open this with this particular retry payment link has been sent on my WhatsApp account. So this means that the automation that I have worked with the help of Pabbly Connect works smoothly. And now if you also want to create such an amazing automation, then for that you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect, and after that, when you will click on enter button, you will land on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And inside here you can see in the top right corner we get two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on the sign up free button given right here, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect gives every new user 100 free tasks every month to create such amazing automations. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button given right here. But before that, let me quickly tell you about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 subscribers, wherein individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing Facebook community, then for you I have added the link of our Facebook community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now, as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button, and after that you can see I have landed on this all apps page of Pabbly, and inside here there are 7 powerful and amazing applications of Pabbly. But as today we are going to use Pabbly Connect, so I will click on this access now button given right inside the Pabbly Connects box, and after that I will land on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And inside this dashboard, on here right corner, you can see this create workflow button is given to us. By clicking on this button, I can start creating my workflow. But before that, you can see on the left side here, this plus button is given in right in front of this folders options. And by clicking on this plus button, you can create a folder for yourself to stay organized. And here you can see this was the workflow that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, we will go on these three dots, and from here we will disable this workflow, as we want to create exactly same workflow for you guys. And after that, I will click on this create workflow button, and now you can see these two different workflow builders come in front of me. First one is our new version, which is modern, faster and flexible, and the other one is our classic version, which is stable and familiar approach. And you can select any one of them to start building your workflow, but for today I will select this new version. And after that, you can see inside this dialog box I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as send payment link on WhatsApp for failed Instamojo transactions. And after that, from this second box here, I will select the folder in which I want to save this particular workflow. So, and after selecting the folder, I will click on this create workflow button, and here you can see our workflow is created successfully. And with this, we have landed on this most important window for our workflow, hosting this trigger option. This trigger option is like the event on which our workflow starts. And following this, we will work on action option, which is actually the response towards our trigger. And if I talk about definition, the trigger says when this happens, action says do this. And these trigger and actions are actually the two basic principles, or we can say the two building blocks on which our entire automation works. And to help you understand even more better, let me share with you guys my objective for today's workflow. So today what I want is that whenever any user who is trying to pay for any product that he is buying from my website suffers any payment failure, an automatic template message with a retry link gets sent to their WhatsApp account number instantly. So for that, my trigger application will be Instamojo. So I will search for my trigger application like this. So you can see this is Instamojo. I have selected my trigger application, and inside my trigger event I will select this failed payment, as I want my workflow to get triggered only when a payment gets failed for my website. And now to connect this Instamojo to Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button given right here, and after that you can see we have received this webhook URL. So we will copy this webhook URL from here, and then we will follow these following steps to successfully connect my Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect. And this webhook URL is like an address which helps us bring back data to Pabbly Connect. And now I will show you directly how you can connect this webhook URL to your Instamojo account. And for that, you can see this is the dashboard of my Instamojo account. I will open up this dashboard, and after that, these are all the products that I sell from my website here. So for today, I will select this particular product, herbal face mask. After that, I will click on these three buttons given on the right side here, and then I will click on this edit page. And then to add webhook link inside this product, I will click on this page URL settings, and after that you can see when I will scroll up, then this enter the webhook URL option is visible to us. And now inside this box I will select the existing text like this, and then I will replace this text with the webhook URL that we had just copied from the Pabbly Connect account. And after that, from this drop down here, I will select this failed payments, as I want to send data to Pabbly Connect only when the payments get failed while ordering this particular product. And after that, I will click on this save and update, and then I will authorize this to yes, save and update. And now you can see my order, my product is updated successfully. So to send demo details to Pabbly Connect, we will quickly do a test payment for this product. And to do a test payment, I will click on this share page, and then I will copy the link of this product from here, and then I will paste it on this new page like this. And here you can see this is my product, herbal face mask, and from here I will click on this pay now button to pay for my product. So you can see I have clicked on this, and after that I will fill up all of these following fields, and after that I will add my delivery info, and after that I will click on this proceed to pay, and then from here I will select my payment option as credit or debit card, and then I will fill up my payment details. And here you can see I have willfully entered these false payment details so that my payment can fail. And now I will click on this continue to pay, and we are still waiting for the payment. And here you can see our payment has been failed because we had entered incorrect payment details. And now as this payment has failed, this means that Pabbly Connect would have automatically captured the details about this failed payment. So we will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and in here you can see we received this response just few seconds ago, and inside this response you can see we get all of these details about the payment failure that we just made. And you can see this was our product herbal face mask, this was our address details, and when I will scroll down you can see this was my phone number, this was my name, and this was my email ID. So this means that Pabbly Connect has successfully captured all of the details about the failed payments from my website. This means that our trigger step that I had just created is working all fine. And now we will go back, and then when I will scroll my mouse over this trigger application, you can see this plus button is now visible to me. Now I will click on this plus button to add a new action step, and you can see I have clicked on this plus button, and from here I will choose my action application. And for today my action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I will search for my application, and then I will select this WhatsApp Cloud API from here as my action application. And in my action event I will select this send template message new as my action event, because I want to send my customers a template message with the retry payment link whenever they fail to pay for any product that they are buying from my website. And now to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button given right here. And from here you can see we get these two different options: add new connection and select existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp account with Pabbly Connect, then you have to go with this select existing connection. But if you are adding your WhatsApp account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, then you have to click on this add new connection. So for now I will click on this add new connection, and then we have to fill up all of these following fields of token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID to successfully connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And to get all of these following details, you have to go on a new tab, and then you have to enter developers.facebook.com, and when you will click on this enter button, you will land on this meta for developers page. And inside this page, you have to click on this my apps given on the right side here. But this my apps will be shown to you only if you have created apps for yourself. If you have not created an application for yourself, then you can learn to create an application by looking at the video that I have added in the description box of this particular video. And then when you have successfully completed creating an app for yourself, then you have to click on this my apps given right here, and from here you have to select the app that you have created for yourself. So you can see this is the app that I have created for myself. So I will open up this app, and inside this application you have to see on the left side here, and then you have to click on this WhatsApp given right here, and then on this API setup. And when you will be inside this API setup, you can see these fields of access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID will get visible to you. So if you want to generate access token, then you have to click on this generate access token, and from here when you will click on this reconnect button to connect your Facebook account again with this WhatsApp Cloud API, your access token will get visible to you. So you have to copy your access token from here, and then you have to go back on your Pabbly Connect account, and then you have to paste your access token here. And after that you have to go back on your WhatsApp Cloud API account, and from there you have to copy both of these phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID, and you have to paste them on your Pabbly Connect account too, like this. So here I have filled all of these following fields, and now I will click on this save button given right here, and here you can see our connection has been saved successfully. Now I have to fill up all of these following fields to successfully complete our automation. And to fill up these following fields, I am going to take help of mapping, and what mapping is I will tell you later in this video. But for now I will show you how you can map data. And to map data, you just have to click inside this box, and you can see this box is asking for receiver's phone number. Like we have to enter the phone number on which we want to send that particular template message. And to map the receiver's phone number, I will click on this box right here, and then you can see this Instamojo step, our trigger step is now visible to me. And when I will click on this drop down here, you can see all of the details that we had captured in our previous step are now visible to us. So inside this, you can see this was the buyer's phone number. So I will just click on this buyer's phone number, and you can see here the buyer's phone number has been mapped successfully. And after that, you can see in this template ID, I have to select the template which I want to send to that particular buyer. So to select my template, I will click on this drop down given right here, and you can see these are all the templates that I have created for myself. So I will select this failed payment retry template, as I want to send this particular template to my buyers. And if you have created any template for yourself, then you can also select your template from this drop down. But if you have not created any template, then you just have to go back on your Meta for Developers account, and in this API setup page, when you will scroll down like this, then you can see this create your own template option is given to you. So when you will click on this create your own template, and inside this, you just have to click on this create template button given right here. And when you will click on this create template button right here, you can start creating a template for yourself. And let me show you the template that I have created for myself. So you can see this failed payment retry was my template, and when I will open this template, you can see this is the text that I had entered in my template. So you can also notice that I have entered 3 dynamic fields. First one is the customer's name, second is the product's name, and the third is this payment link. So when I will fill up the fields inside my Pabbly Connect account, you can see here, and inside this templates body, you can see these 3 dynamic fields are visible to us. So now I will fill up all of these fields one by one, and to fill these fields I will take help of mapping again. And as my template header had no dynamic fields, so I will let it remain no. And after that, I will scroll down, as I do not want to enter any of these fields. And as I had entered 3 dynamic fields inside the body of my template, and so that's why I have selected this field as yes. And now these 3 dynamic fields are visible to me. In the first one, I have to fill customer's name, and the second one, I have to fill the service or product's name, and in the third one, I have to fill the retry payment link. So for this customer name, I will take help of mapping again, and from this previous step, the data that we had received in our previous step, I will scroll down, and you can see this was the name of our customer. So I have selected this. And after that, for the product's name, I will do that step same thing again. And you can see this herbal face mask was the name of our product, so I have also selected it. And for this retry payment link, I will go back to the Instamojo account, and I will copy the link of my product like this, and then I will come back on Pabbly Connect, and then I will paste the link of my product here like this. And after that, you can see I do not want to change any of these fields, so that's why I have successfully completed filling up all of these following fields. And I know that you must be in doubt about mapping. So if I explain in simple words, we map data that are dynamic, like the name or phone number of our customer, because we know that these fields are going to change automatically, so that's why we map them. But if I will type these dynamic fields manually, like you can see, if I will type the name of my customer manually, then that particular name won't change unless I come and I change it manually. So this means that by mapping data, we allow Pabbly Connect to automatically update the dynamic details with every new entry. So this means that whatever fields that I have mapped, like the name and the product or service name, these fields will get changed automatically with our next order. So as I have successfully filled up all of these following fields, and now I will click on this save and send test request button, and you can see we are waiting for a new response, and you can see I have successfully received this response with this accepted as the status of my message. And now I will go on my WhatsApp account, and we will see if I have received any new template message or not. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and now you can see we have received this particular template message with our name and also the name of our product and also this retry payment link. And you can see I have clicked on this link and now I can retry my payment from here. So this means that we have successfully received this template message, and the workflow that I have created with the help of Pabbly Connect is working all smooth and fine. So this is how you can also create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you want to get a clone of this workflow, then for you I will add a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. And if you liked this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.